Alright friends, welcome back to the new video. So today I have covered some different kind of a topic, and that is the engineering subject information. So you will be like, what is this engineering subject information? So let me tell you that what today I want to tell you and what today I want to teach you is that, see, in engineering, importance of subjects and understanding the importance of a subject is really important, okay? Because if you don't know what is the subject and why it is put in your place in your curriculum, if you don't know that, then it's a completely worse thing, okay? So the thing is, today I want to teach you that what is the subject and what is the importance of a subject. Let's suppose assume that you are in a first, not assume that you currently you are in a first semester, okay? So right now you are in a first semester, and in every semester in engineering there are at least 5 to 6 subjects will going to be there, okay? So out of this 5 or 6 subjects, which subjects you have to focus more, which is the important subjects, what is the usefulness of that subject after completing of engineering, and which subject are not useful. I am going to cover all of these things in just one single video, okay? So first let me tell you that in every semester of your engineering there will be going to around 5 or 6 average number of subjects is going to be there, okay? In your final semester, in your semester number 8, there is no any subjects, because in the 8th semester you have to do either project or internship, okay? So in 8th semester you don't need to be study, okay? So you have to study till 7th semester, okay? So in every semester there will going to be 5 or 6 subjects. This is the average number. Sometime it would be 4 and sometime would be 6 as well, okay? So out of all of these subjects there are going to be few subjects which are going to higher amount of credit. Now you might wonder that what is this credit, because earlier I have already make a video on credit, but let me repeat it again. Credit means the amount, and the credit means which subject is important. Let's suppose that if the credit is high, then this subject will be going to be really important and useful for your study, for your exam, for your placement, and for your future job as well, okay? If the credit is low, then that subject is not that much useful, okay? Means the usefulness of that subject is not that much, but the thing is you have to learn that subject, okay? Then there, out of this 5 or 6 subject in each semester, there are going to be core subjects, okay? Now what is this core subject? So subject mean that, core subjects mean that are really useful for your industry. Let's suppose that you have taken computer, IT, then data structure, database management system, data science, and there are only few of the subjects which is known as the core subjects. Core means the subject which is really useful for your branch. If you are in mechanical, then there is a fluid and hydrolifting. There are few kind of core subjects is needed, okay? So core subjects are really useful in your semester, and in last you have to main focus on your core subjects, because the thing is, if you are focusing on your core subjects, that core subjects will going to help you in your placement, okay? So now let me make a summary for today's video, okay? So in every semester you are going to have 5 or 6 subjects. Out of this 5 or 6 subjects, you first have to check the credit, okay? Which subject is having high credit. Now let me tell you why credit is important. Let's suppose that if you are having a subject with 5 credit, okay, and if you are having wonderful mark in final semester examination, then your result is going to be high enough, okay? And if the subject is 5 and credit is 5, and if you are not getting good mark in engineering exam, if you are getting less mark, then it will be impacted on your result, because your SPI is 100% chance that it is going to be down because of the less mark in high credit subjects. Now let's suppose that there is a subject with having only 2 credit. No matter if you are getting wonderful mark or if you are getting not good mark, it doesn't impact on result that much. So this is the importance of credit. I hope you are getting that why I am focusing more and more on the credit, okay? Because if you are focusing on core subject, if you are focusing on subjects which are having high credit, then it will be really useful for exam. And not only for exam, when you are sitting for a placement, that time also this subject is going to be really helpful, because the final semester and the final questions in your placement that are based on this core subject, that are based on this higher amount of credit subjects, okay? Now let me talk about the third point, and that is the core subjects subjects, as I already mentioned that core subject is also important for your placement as well. So core subject means like the which is most required for study. Okay, as I already given the example, data structure, database management system, data science, these are the core subjects for those who are in computer and IT. Same for mechanical, civil, electrical, all of these students, all of these lines are having some core subjects which is really important for the student who are pursuing their branch, okay, that particular branch. And at the end you have to focus on those subjects which are having high credit and which are the core subjects for you. Okay, at the end, a single line of advice, that always keep check the subject online. Okay, because nowadays in YouTube all the playlists are available. If you are not able to study in college, then you have to take reference of this video, because these are going to be really useful. All right, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Once again, thank you very much for giving your time to watching this video. If you have any doubts or feedback, feel free to put it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.